Vim works on big things. Okay, let me give you an example. I've actually logged into a remote server here that has a log file. And let's see how big this log file is. Right now, this log file is 125 gig, which this system has 16 gigabytes of memory. So let's just edit it in VI and go search it. You'll notice it didn't take forever to figure out how to display stuff. And let's go down to line 30,000. That's 30,000 lines down in a multi-million line file, but I can search things, I can edit them, I can find them, I can pick them out in a log file. And this log file is many times the size of memory of this computer, and this isn't going to swamp out the computer to be able to run it. So the ability to edit and search things is tremendous. In fact, here at the University of Wyoming, my daughter is actually an agriculture major. She has to take a computers in agriculture class that focused on bioinformatics last semester. It's a 1-credit class. And most of the people in there are not computer people. And they spend about half their time in the entire bioinformatics class, guess what? Learning to use the VI editor so that they can access and manipulate things like their genetics data, which is multi-gigabyte files, and search through it and find things, and manipulate that data so that they can transform it into things like, guess what? JSON format, so that they can read it into their genetics analysis programs. So yeah, it has lots of capabilities, and it is really good at accessing big files or searching them or getting you access to log files. So it's useful and fast.